Hey guys, it is December the 29th, 2024, and I am down at the fish park here in Orange Beach, down at Perdido Pass. Fish park here at Perdido Pass. Across the way there is Alabama Point. Beautiful day today. Had a lot of storms come through last night. Haven't really been down to the fish park here in a while. They have had to redo it. Hurricane Sally tore it up pretty good, so they've done some repairs and got it back actually in better condition than it was originally. Bird Island and Robinson Island, they're in Perdido Pass. They've changed the parking configuration up under the bridge here post Sally renovations. Some porta potties there under the bridge, little hand washing station. They had to replace all of this boardwalk, and here where these large rocks are, they used to have planted with a type of sawgrass, but Hurricane Sally, when it came in, destroyed and tore up all of that. I think the rocks are going to be a better design for it in the long run. Quite a few people out fishing today. Over to the side of the fishing park here is the Gulf Restaurant. Pretty much consists of shipping containers that they've converted and made a restaurant that is waterfront here with lots of cool outdoor seating out here in the summer and actually in the winter also. But pretty cool little place. I'll have to get you a video from there when they're open. Get that loaded up this year. And that's just a quick little look at the fish park here for you. December the 29th, 2024. 2024 quickly coming to an end. Stay tuned tomorrow. We'll have another little daily vlog. Building up to January the 1st, we're going to go to watch the polar bear plunge, either at the Hangout or at the Floribama. Haven't decided which one we're going to go to yet. But the daily vlog for January 1st will be the polar bear plunge. See you next time. Thanks for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.